What's going on, everybody? I'm Shy and this is The Dollar Tree. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at The.Dollar.Tree. You can follow me, Shy, on Instagram at I'm Leo Calm. You can follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, I'm Leo Calm. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Shout out to our returning viewership. Shout out to our subscribers. And of course, if you're a new subscriber, please take the time to hit that like button. Everybody for watching, and let's talk about Bitcoin. So I know a lot of people at this point are curious about getting into Bitcoin and investing in Bitcoin. In the description, I will have a video that was done on this channel about how to invest into Bitcoin. All right, I'm going to link to that video in the description. But in this particular video, I want to talk more about when should you buy Bitcoin. I'm not telling you when to buy Bitcoin, but I just want to talk about my ideology as far as investing into Bitcoin for the short term and the long term. All right. So for starters, Bitcoin, in my opinion, is a very, very, very good investment, even though it is currently extremely expensive. There are other cryptocurrencies that I could discuss at this point in time. I don't want to discuss them. I just want to stick to Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin, as of the making of this video, is $8,600 and some change, $8,614 or $39, one or the other, somewhere around there. And I think that if you're holding Bitcoin for the long run, if you want to take that chance on Bitcoin for the long run, I think there can be some value for Bitcoin at 8,600 or 8,000. Now, a lot of people, when investing in Bitcoin, they think of it as dollar cost averaging in. So they always want to buy in and add to their stash within a certain price range. And I kind of agree with that. So for me, though, I think I do it a little bit differently. I think it's important. I also talked about, of course, a multi-tiered strategy for investing in cryptocurrency. The reason why I say that is because cryptocurrency right now is so early. It's so early to get into the market, especially for Bitcoin, you can very easily lose your money. All right, the market is very volatile. About that multi-tier strategy for investing in Bitcoin, you can have a long-term, you can have short-term trading in and out of the markets. We can hopefully, if you do it the right way, increase your stack that way. Along with dollar cost averaging in, DCA. You can run a DCA bot if you want to. That's another, someone asked me about, talking about bots. I may do another video about how you can run bots to do percentage trading, dollar cost averaging, time weight averaging, stuff like that. But sorry to digress. The three-tiered aspect of investing in Bitcoin. One, mining. Yes, you can get you a mining machine. It is very expensive in the United States to run electricity. So, you'll be gambling for the long run for that. But that is another way in total to help accumulate Bitcoin for the long run. That's number one. Number two, dollar cost averaging for the long haul as well. Those price fluctuations are very violent in the market, all right? It's very easy for you to get in at the top and get completely wiped out. Put it into perspective and say anything under $9,000, you want to accumulate for your long-term holdings. That's something, I'm not telling you to do that. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying anything under that price range, you can look to start accumulating Bitcoin little by little, and that's number two. Number three, price swings. Okay, so we know Bitcoin was $20,000 at one point, and it was $14,000 at another point. Knowing these things, once you start to study the fluctuations and the volatility of the Bitcoin market, you learn a little bit about its history and the cycles, you can better make decisions of when to buy in and sell out to increase your bag. Which is why I'm always preaching, most of the time I'm preaching in these Bitcoin related or cryptocurrency videos, that you want to take the time to learn about the market. There are other YouTube channels that can teach you about blockchain and Bitcoin, the cycles and trading and stuff like that. I'm actually going to be doing a review on a trading book of somebody who can teach you about trading and a little bit of the market and the cycles. So you want to learn those things before you dive deeper into those swings. I'll talk a little bit about my strategy. Under $7,500, I start accumulating. You want to have that mid-range, man, because the price fluctuations in Bitcoin are so crazy that you want to have that space, that peace of mind where it's, okay, I'm buying here, below here, and I'm selling above here. So anything that's happening in that in between, it's like, I'm not worried about it until the price gets above. Again, like I said in multiple videos, like I said in the previous video, I still believe Bitcoin is a very strong asset. It was the best performing asset of 2019. All right. And I expect it to continue that trend going forward. So I expect it to be the biggest thing. You know, I can make a video about why I feel that way to cement what I said in the previous video. But hey, make the decision for yourself. Let me talk about something valuable. Although, you know, I'm not going to be giving financial advice here on YouTube just like that. I will say that the Dollar Tree will be setting up alternative spaces where we can be a little more free with giving advice. That's also another reason why I will be doing a review on a trading group, is because I really want to help you guys out and be successful within this market. You know, the more people come into this market, the more people have success in this market, the more people will come into the market. And in reality, you guys' success is my success. I've already dedicated my spot in telling you a little bit of what my plans are. Like I said, I will be a little more in depth with that information when you guys help me and Damon grow this channel. Now, for right now, I'll give you, like I said, below 7,500 is a good accumulation zone. Anything above 12.5, start to slowly sell off. And I've given you videos on this channel about how you can set up about to slowly sell off when prices reach that range. I've told you how to get into crypto. I've told you the most efficient and quickest way to do it, hassle-free. Just know that there are tax repercussions for joining the market and investing. So again, if you're gonna invest your time and yourself into getting into the cryptocurrency market, make sure you do it right, man. Do it right. We want you to do it right. We are so early in this market. For all my people that's watching that's already invested, we're so early. Yes, I know Bitcoin's been out 10, 11 years, but we're still early. No, we're not those 2013, 14, 15 to 2017 guys that, you know, hit the millions. But I do believe with proper research, proper understanding of the market, proper understanding of the cycles, we can be very successful in the long run. All right. So that's my take. Is it the best time? Is it the perfect time to buy Bitcoin right now? No, I don't think so. There's a great chance that Bitcoin will go back down to around 8,000, probably around a 60% chance. Yeah. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. I'm Shy and this is the Dollar Tree, and I will see you guys next week.